as a landmark pons here. The pituitary gland on this sheep brain get damaged. It's actually only half is here. Do you see this?
Yeah.
This, like half, like a peanut being cut this way. This is the dorsal half of the pituitary
It's
gland.
supposed to be jetting out, right?
Yeah, it's already jetting out. So, but you can leave it, you can take it off. Underneath that, you can see the mammillary body. Okay? Does it make sense so far? Okay. No one asked me a question like a journalist. How hard do you study when you were a student, Dr. Yin? The answer is that I actually don't study except for a few weeks before the exam. Anyway, now here, this is the optic nerve, so other students hate me. And
And then the optic chiasm.
yeah, optic chiasma is here, right? Does it make sense? Yes. So, and that's anterior to the pituitary gland.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's turn around again because I already flip it over. So before that, yeah, you can still see this. What is this nerve if I point here? Name the nerve. Or name the structure. Trigeminal. But if I want to be tricky, I can say name the membrane pierced by the pin here. What is the membrane? You could say that, but by definition, it covers the brain, pure matter. Pure matter. This is already a nerve. What do you call it? A nerve. It's covered by connective tissue, but what do you call it? Epineurium.
Epineurium.
So you can see these are all made by connective tissue. This is actually some Jen and Nina's question. They're all made by connective tissue. If I label it connective tissue, it's not going to help you at all. But this is called meninges, this is called epineurium. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, here, if you take a look, okay. Sorry, I was pointing to the wrong place when I say this. Did I say this is the palm?
No.
Okay, yeah,
said
this is the
that.
palm. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the palm. That's good. And
The next part is medulla, right?
Right. So now I want to show you the third cranial nerve. It's already being torn apart a little. Let me see.
Oculomotor.
Yeah, oculomotor. Here, you can only see right now a little bit, the base. I will pop it up, and then later I will show you from the other view. Do you see this?
Yeah.
It's flat, like a
Like a bean
thin,
sprout.
like the, what is called, angel hair spaghetti. Oh,
Oh,
it
yeah.
broke. Yes, okay. Oh gosh, okay. Now here, on this side. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, do you see it? Yes. This is the base of the oculomotor nerve within the meninges, and then it will get out of the meninges layer. So usually, if you take off the meninges layer, this nerve gets broken off
Okay.
at the base. Can we keep moving on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now prepare for something. Last 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, you saw this, but I hope this time it become more meaningful. What do you see?
Thalamus.
The thalamus and hypothalamus.
You're not seeing hypothalamus directly, but okay. If I
The
say
diencephalon.
okay, yeah, kind of, but okay. Name this structure with a pin. If I say, what is it? Yeah, right here. Of course, the best way is to see it
Pineal
from
body.
posterior. Yeah, it is pineal body here. Okay, and then name this structure. These two, the round structure here.
Superior collicular.
Which one?
These two.
Pyramid?
No.
Not pyramid.
So the
Well,
superior
Superior colliculi.
Oh, cool.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
And then what about these two?
inferior
Inferior colliculi. And then what about these two?
Lateral ventricles.
Well, the real thing here is not a ventricle. It's actually what? The thalamus.
Okay.
But the space surrounding it, do you see the space?
That's
do you
the
see
ventricle.
Yeah, that's a ventricle filled with cerebral spinal fluid. And some of you asked me, Emily, you asked me about the choroid plexus. Okay, you can find them like here in this region. Does it make sense? Okay. In life, they are not really reddish. Yeah, a little bit reddish because of blood vessel. So this is what you can see in the dorsal view. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if I cut it sagittally, you will see what you see in your lab manual. Again, your lab manual has all the diagram, right? Now let me show you again. What are these little things? You have studied this on the brain model. Olfactory. Okay, I hear nerve, bulb, and the tract. These are technically bulb. Okay. After that is the tract. But on this sheep brain, you cannot easily see it. But the nerves are already broken off. The nerves goes from the bulb down to the nasal cavity. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Can you visualize where are your olfactory bulb? In the sphenoid bone, frontal bone over there.
It sits in a sella turcica, right?
No, sella turcica is more posterior, which hold the pituitary gland. Okay, so sella turcica hold the pituitary gland. How do I restore it? Yeah. Oh, where is that pituitary gland? It is originally is here.
Yeah.
Must have. So that's sella turcica. This is optic chiasma. There you would have optic foramen of the sphenoid bone. So in the anterior part, the floor of the frontal bone, you have two small notch, but I won't test you on that. Okay. And so you have seen olfactory bulb, optic nerve, optic chiasma, ocular, motor nerve. If I'm careful, there should be the sixth cranial nerve. I believe that's also visible somewhere in this region. If I peel it off, let me see.